Myself Vaibhav Vedak. I've been suffering from cold and cough since childhood. I tried everything: allopathy, homeopathy, even Ayurvedic medicines, but it did not give me the result which I was expecting. Uh, it's been more than 6 months now that I've been trying. I've been having Dr. Patkar's bovine colostrum, and the results have been fantastic. The capsules of colostrum have antibodies which prevent infections and cold, cough, and it even offers protection against bacterial infection and viruses. So the results have been very good. I'm sure it's a fantastic product, and I'll be consuming it even in the future. Very soon, I'll be flying to Canada, where it was a major concern because there the weather is very cold. But now this product is going to act like a shield, so I don't need to worry. I'm sure I'll continue with it even in future. And first of all, thanks to Dr. Patkar for offering me such a wonderful product. I hope to receive it from him in future too. Thank you.